I just got this ornament to give as a gift to someone who loves butterflies and gemstones. Let me open it up and show you. And inside the box you get 3 different ribbons, so you can choose which one you want to hang it with depending on your preference. You got red, white, and glitter. And then here is the butterfly itself. Look how beautiful that is. Very, very reflective. Just really stands out. All of these pieces are put in really well, and it has a little weight to it, but not too much. It does come with this metal chain, so if you want to just hang it by that, you can as well. And down at the bottom here, it has this Merry Christmas dangle all the way at the bottom. And if you are choosing to use this not for the holidays, you can just remove this, and then you simply have a beautiful and very colorful butterfly for your window. And then here's the back side. No crystals on the back side. It is plain, but it is also pretty in its own right. I do appreciate that they didn't leave anything messy on the back. It's clean throughout, so it still looks nice from the back side, though it's obviously designed to be seen from this side. Really, really sweet. I know the person I'm giving this to will love it. It is right up their alley.